In this video, I'll show you how to fix the x.com or Twitter error that says cannot retrieve tweets at this time. This is a common issue, and the good news is that it's usually caused by a browser problem, a temporary login issue, or a network setting that can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and step-by-step guides. First, the easiest thing to try is clearing your browser cookies and cache. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or another desktop browser, press Ctrl Shift and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu right away. Once the window appears, make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. You can leave other options as they are unless you want to clear more data, but the important part here is clearing the cache and cookies. After that, choose the time range you want to clear, and if you want the most effective reset, select All Time. Then click the button to clear the data and wait for the process to finish. After the cache and cookies are cleared, close your browser completely and open x.com again to check if the tweets load properly. If the error still appears, the next step is to log out of your X account completely and then log back in. Sometimes the session itself becomes stuck or expired, and signing out and signing back in forces X to refresh your account connection. So click your profile or account menu, choose Logout, confirm the action if needed, and once you're fully signed out, enter your login details again and sign back into your account. After logging back in, refresh the page and see if the problem is gone. If you're still seeing the same error, the next thing to check is whether you have a VPN turned on. VPNs can sometimes interfere with X loading tweets properly, especially if the service is routing your traffic through a location that causes a temporary block or connection issue. If you're using a VPN, disable it completely, then refresh x.com and try again. In many cases, turning off the VPN is enough to fix the problem immediately. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are clearing cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, logging out and logging back in, and disabling any VPN you may have running. Try those steps in that order, and in most cases, the cannot retrieve tweets at this time error should be resolved. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple fixes just like this.